How to use Windows storage spaces. Hey everyone, running low on storage space. Today, we'll explore Windows storage spaces, a built-in feature that lets you combine multiple drives into one larger virtual pool. Buckle up for some storage magic in under 2 minutes. Imagine having multiple hard drives acting like one giant drive. That's the power of storage spaces. You can combine multiple physical drives into a single storage pool, expanding your storage capacity and even adding redundancy to protect your data. Make sure to have at least 2 external hard drives connected to your Windows PC. These will be used to create the storage pool. Search for storage spaces in the Start menu and launch the app. Click Create a new pool and storage space. Select the drives you want to add to the pool and click Create Pool. Give your storage space a name and choose a layout. Click Create Storage Space to finalize. Once created, your storage space appears as a new drive in File Explorer. You can use it to store files and folders just like any other drive on your PC. Storage spaces offer several benefits like increased storage, data protection, and flexibility. With Windows storage spaces, you can maximize your storage capacity and even protect your valuable data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips to optimize your PC.